I have a 2010 Ford F150. It has a brake fluid leak. Ford F150 four-wheel drive. XLT with 5.4 liter 8-cylinder. So I checked everywhere on this vehicle. The customer complained that he filled the master cylinder reservoir with brake fluid. Maybe 5-10 minutes later, the fluid goes down. It's empty, goes all the way to the empty. Then the brake pedal goes spongy. He keeps losing the fluid. When the car came here, this was completely empty. I added twice here, and always, every time, like I leave it for like 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. The brake, once you put brake fluid, the brake holds, but the problem is keeps going down. I left it overnight, and this is where it came down to, as you can see it up to here. I looked everywhere around this car. There's no brake fluid leak, and the customer already checked it with somewhere else, and they say they can't find the problem. Anyway, so there is no leak. This is WD-40 I spray here on here, just to, because these rusty bolts. But there is no leak anywhere. It's not even from here. It's not even from the brake line. It's not the brake calipers. It's not the brake hoses. It's nowhere to find this fluid. And we left it on a dry ground, and still showing zero leak. So anyway, there's only one place left. So the brake fluid very much leaking from the master cylinder, from not anywhere around here. From the back of the cylinder, and all the brake fluid, it's filling up into the brake booster inside here. Well, I'm gonna show you what I found inside this booster right here. So anyway, I removed this vacuum hose right here, okay, and I took this garment seal here, it's off, and I have an oil dipstick. I'm gonna stick it inside the booster, and look at this, it's filled with the brake fluid. So there is where the fluid going. It's filling up on the power brake booster. Okay, look at this. Alright, so this is crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna change the brake booster, and I'm gonna change the master cylinder to fix this problem. And I'm gonna show you what parts I ordered. I ordered OEM Ford motorcraft parts. So these are the parts I ordered. This is the master cylinder. Brake master cylinder is brand new. It's Ford part. Just, as you can see, this is the master cylinder, and the leak very much is from the back here. It's leaking internally inside the brake booster. And this is the booster. Yeah, that's the part number. And this is the booster right here. Okay, it's all brand new. It's all Ford parts, original OEM. Customer love OEM, and I love to use OEM, especially for Ford cars. Okay. So that's it. So that's a problem. Alright. This is to show where the brake fluid going. Thank you for watching.